Hi, tonight's What's for Dinner. We're gonna meal prep for your camping trip. We're gonna do veggies, chicken, and beef. We'll also do some corn on the cob and some baked potatoes for dinner. Hi, welcome to our channel, The Montana Style. If you're new, please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy our video. With tonight's dinner, we're gonna be meal prepping where you can do it the night before you go camping, or this can be done before you go to work in the morning for your night's dinner. We're gonna go ahead and chop up our mushrooms and get those all ready. We're gonna skewer them up, and we're gonna do skewers of the vegetables and the chicken and beef each separately on our skewer so we can cook them and get the meat cooked to the right temperature. So we'll go ahead and get these skewered up. We're gonna go ahead and get some mushrooms. Tonight we're gonna use some zucchini, so we're gonna go ahead and get this chopped up. This is one of our favorite meals when we go camping or any night of the week if we want to have an easy meal. We love our veggies with our proteins. We just go ahead and chop these all up so that they cook evenly on the grill. At our house, we really like green pepper, so we'll go ahead and chop some of the green pepper up. And we want to make it pretty big so that it has a chance to cook without getting burned all over. So we want to go ahead and leave those big. And then we like red onions, so you go ahead and get all your stuff stacked up. Get it sliced nice so it'll fit on the skewer. Now we're going to go ahead and start putting the veggies on the skewers. And I like to just do one of each and go ahead and poke them through. You can make as many skewers if you like. If there's just a couple people going camping, go ahead and just make 2 or 3 skewers, or if you have a whole crowd, you can have them make their own if they want. Pick what veggies they like. If they only want mushrooms, go ahead and do a skewer for them, or you can just do whatever you want and they can pick through what you already have cooked. This is an easy camping meal because you can just have all of your proteins, get your veggies as full as you like it on the skewer. And we'll go ahead and set those aside. These are all good veggies that are easy to take. And next up, we're gonna do our steak. Tonight we're just using some sirloins, but use whatever you have. If you like sirloins, we like to cut them into about 1-inch cubes. And then we're gonna marinate them. And we like to marinate them because we like to give it flavor. You could do garlic and herb, or you could do teriyaki, or you could use any rub you guys have around that you like to use. Montreal, or whatever kind you like. So we're gonna go ahead and skewer up the steak. We like to use these metal ones. They work well. They don't catch on fire. That's one of the problems if you use wood ones. If you do use wood, you wanna go ahead and soak those. They do much better if you soak them for a little while so they don't burn up. And you can do these on your grill outside, or you can even do them over the flame of the fire. Just go ahead and make sure you have your thermometer so you make sure and get your meat done through. And you want to cut them in the same size so that they all fit nicely on your skewer. Once your steaks are done, go ahead and set those aside and we'll marinate those. You can go ahead and put them in a baggie or in a Tupperware that you can lay flat and put your seasonings on, and you want to let those marinate a half an hour or overnight, however you like it. We're going to go ahead and cut up the next steak, and we'll go ahead and put it on another skewer. Once you have all of your beef done, we're going to go ahead and go do your chicken last. We want to make sure that any fat on the chicken you see is cut off, and then we want to try to get those into nice squares as well. We want to make sure and get them in bite-sized pieces, but enough that they don't overcook. And you want to make sure and use your thermometer when you go ahead and put them on the grill. You want to make sure they're done all the way through. Do the best you can. About 1-inch cubes is great. It's definitely one of our favorite dinners and super easy. You can cook it and put it with a side of rice or potatoes or chips, or just have a nice protein and veggies. It's a very easy meal when you're out camping. We'll just go ahead and skewer this chicken up real fast and we'll get it in the marinade. You have a couple options when you're trying to get your camping trip ready. You can prep all of this, all of your veggies cleaned, chopped, and put them all in baggies or Tupperware containers to take them on the go. Go ahead and marinate your chicken and beef the night before and go ahead and throw those in baggies so you can just skewer up and throw them on the grill. Or you can do it a half an hour when you get to camp. Just get your meat out, skewer it, and put your seasonings on that you want to use. It's really easy. When you have your veggies chopped and ready for the next day or your camping trip, it really saves a lot of time. So go ahead and do that. So we'll go ahead and get these in the marinade. Today we're going to use some garlic herb marinade. Go ahead and shake it up. And then we're going to use one of these baggie holders today. You just open up the baggie and put it in this nice holder, and it's going to hold it open while we put in the meat skewers to marinate for a little while. These are really handy. We find them on Amazon. It holds the baggie open so you don't have to have more than one person help you. Just go ahead and squirt some marinade in. And it'll hold it open and steady. And we'll go ahead and put your protein in. If you have beef or chicken, you could do pork, or you could do shrimp too. Any kind of meat you like that your family enjoys. We really like these two combos, so you can have a little bit of each with your veggies. Makes a great dinner. So we're gonna go ahead and throw those in the marinade, and we'll be back in a little bit. And here we go. Here's our nice dinner, easy, quick, all ready for dinner. We'll go ahead and get some butter, sour cream, and bacon for your baked potato, and we're gonna enjoy this nice meal. Thanks for stopping by Montana Style, and we'll see you next time. Go ahead and check out some more videos. Have a great day.